Why we are celebrated Independence Day? Independence Day in India, national holiday celebrated annually on August 15. Independence Day marks the India end of British rule 1947, brought about by the Indian Independence Act of July 18 that year and the establishment of free and independent Indian nation. It also marks the anniversary of partition of subcontinent into two countries, India and Pakistan, which occurred the midnight on August 14-15 in 1947. In Pakistan, Independence Day is celebrated on August 14. British rule in India began in 1757 when following the British victory at the Battle of Plassey. The English East India Company began exercising control over the country. The East India Company ruled India for 100 years until it was replaced by direct British rule, often referred to as the British Raj. In the wake of Indian Mutiny in 1857 and 58, the Indian independence movement began during World War I and was led by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who advocated for the peaceful and non-violent end to British rule. Independence Day is marked throughout India with flag raising, ceremony, drill, and the singing of Indian national anthem. Additionally, various culture programs are made by available in the state capitals. After the Prime Minister participated in the flag raising ceremony at the Red Fort historic monument in Old Delhi. A parade ensues with the member of armed force and police. The Prime Minister then delivered a televised address to the country recounting the major accomplishments of India during the previous year and outlining future challenges and goals. Kite flying has also become an Independence Day tradition with the kites various of size, shapes and colors filling the sky. Also a commemorate the day, government offices in Delhi remain the throughout holiday, even though they are closed. Thank you. Visit again Deep SDS YouTube channel.